Before formal wiring and installation, we need to ensure the following items are ready. ADL200 main body, one pair of insulation gloves for safe operation, some power cable for wiring, some RVSP cable for IS-45 communications wiring, screwdriver, To better understand the overall wiring procedure, we will first look at the wiring pin overview of ADL200 one-phase ammeter. For necessary wiring pin overview, pin L and pin L prime will be used for direct connection between ADL200 and live line of monitoring circuit. Pin N and pin N prime will be used for direct connection between ADL200 and neutral line of monitoring circuit. Additionally, some other pin might be used for different usage. Pin 21 and pin 22 will be used for IS-45 communications wiring. Pin 17 and pin 18 will be used for active path output. For DIN rail installation of ADL200, first we unlock its DIN rail clip. Install it on standard DIN rail. Then fix the clip for locked devices on standard DIN rail. About necessary power wiring of ADL200. First, the live line of monitoring circuit will be directly connected to ADL200 with pin L and pin L prime, and make sure the forward current and energy direction of live line is from pin L to pin L prime. Second, the neutral line of monitoring circuit will be directly connected to ADL200 with pin N and pin N prime. Since ADL200 is direct connect type ammeter, it will gain current signal input, voltage signal input, and auxiliary power supply at the same time by the direct connection above. For the IS-45 wiring of ADL200, take IS-45 communication between multiple ADL200 ammeters and one ADL200 LT gateway, for example. We will connect pin 21 of first ADL200 to the pin 21 of second ADL200 to the pin 21 of last ADL200, and then to the IS-45 port A of ADL100 LT gateway. It's the same for pin 22 IS-45 port B wiring of ADL200. We connect pin 22 of first ADL200 to the pin 22 of second ADL200 to the pin 22 of last ADL200, and then to the RS-45 port B of ADL200 LT gateway. Additionally, we will recommend to use two multiple 1.5 square millimeter RSP cable for RS-45 communications value.